Hello everyone and welcome. Well, the holidays are here and that means pulling out the old decorative lights. But those old decorative lights are starting to look a bit tired, aren't they? They also run on electricity and they bring up your electric bill every year. So why not look into using solar powered lights instead? Free energy from the sun can power up your new Christmas lights. Plus, they also go on and off automatically, so there's no need for timers or extension cords. Sounds great, right? So why haven't you done it yet? Well, today I'm going to make it real easy for you. If you've been thinking about getting some new decorative Christmas lights, then I have some lights that you should check out right here. So let's unbox this puppy and take a look at what it has. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. There you have a shot of the box for you right there, some decorative lights. Let's unbox this puppy and take a look at it. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Ruyilam Solar Decorative Pathway Lights, available on Amazon, link in description below. Now at the making of this video, these lights, this 4-pack, retails for $48.99 for the 4-pack. They also do have a 1-pack where you can buy just one light for $19.99. Obviously the 4-pack is a much better value, so that's what I got. And they do also have some discounts on their Amazon page, and I have a great discount code that I found. I put it down in the description down below, so take advantage of that and save yourself even more money. Now, these lights come with a lifetime warranty, so any trouble whatsoever, contact the manufacturer, they'll take care of you. So what you get in the package, in this case, the 4-pack, is you get 4 lights, you get 4 stakes, 4 extensions, 4 of these bases that you can mount it on the wall somewhere, 4 mounting hardware for the bases, and 4 elbows to mount all this stuff together. So a lot of different things, a lot of different ways that you can mount it, and I'll show you all that in just a little bit. Now the dimensions on this light are 4.7 inches in width, and up to 30 inches in length if you put the stakes and the extension and all that stuff on it. I'll show you all that in a bit. But the head of the unit itself is about 12 inches in height. Until you add the other things, then you make it even longer. Now these lights are basically IP65 all season rated, so you can leave them outside all the time. Once you pick where you want to put them, you can leave them there all season long, all year long, no trouble at all. And the beauty of these lights is that they're solar powered. They have 96 LED beads per light, making them a lot brighter than the competition. And they are auto on off. They go on at night and they stay lit up all night long. They turn off in the morning and they charge up all day long. So plenty of sunlight, free energy, charges them up. And then at night they go on and look pretty all night long without you having to do anything to them. So that's very convenient right there. And they are powered by a 2200 milliamp lithium-ion battery, which can last up to 12 hours when fully charged. The good thing you notice is that I said that it has a 2200 milliamp lithium-ion battery. A lot of these other lights out there have NiCad batteries, which don't last anywhere near as long. These have a life expectancy of 50,000 hours. So that's a long time that you can use these lights and you don't have to worry about them going bad on you. They put out basically 35 lumens of light, which is excellent for brightness for a decorative light. Remember, these lights are not meant for illumination. They're meant to be decorative. They're only meant to light up for Christmas, your pathway, whatever it is that you want to use them for. And they have a very attractive flame effect, which I'll show you in a little bit. So they light up in a nice decorative effect that you can use them for just about any holiday throughout the year. I got these for Christmas, but I'll probably leave them up all year long. I mean, they're beautiful as far as for Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, parties, weddings, or any time of the year all year long. That's why I said, the good thing is, they're all season rated, so leave them out during the summer, the winter, the snow, the rain, the sleet, anything. They can hold up to it, no trouble whatsoever. So let me move this stuff around and I'll show you exactly the 3 different ways that you can use to mount them and set them up. Alright guys, so these are the 3 different ways that you can set up these lights to mount them individually. And basically, if you mount it with the stake and everything this way, it is 30 inches in height. If you mount it either this way or this way, you're looking at 15 inches in height. So let me move these around. I'll show you exactly how they look. All right, so if you go with the stake mounted design, you have the head of the light, then you have an extension right here, and you have the stake that goes into the ground. Like I said, this is 30 inches in height, and all the lights have a very convenient switch right here, so you don't need to go hunting around for it. It's right there. You can turn it on or off anytime you want. Very easy to get to. And all you do is click it on, and there you see the light goes on because there's no light hitting the solar panel, so it activates. And you can see right there what a pretty design it has, where you have a nice decorative look on here, and it's also open on the side there, so you can show whichever way looks best for you in any direction you want. You can either have them open or have the flame effect side over here. It's very nicely decorative. And the solar panel is right on top, as you can see right there. It faces up to collect the light all day long. So this is the stake design, 30 inches in height. So if you want to mount it on the wall or something, you can have this design right here, where you have the light itself, the elbow, and then the base unit, which you just attach to a wall, and you mount it up like that on a wall somewhere. Just attach it to a wall, mount it up, and again, you have the same button down here, turn it on, and you have your lighting effect anywhere you want it to be. And I'll show you all these mounted in a little bit. So that's the other design right there. And you can mix and match these. You don't have to have one particular one for all of them. As you see, I'm mixing and matching them all right here. And the third option is to mount it this way, where you have the light itself and then just the base on it. And you can mount it standing up anywhere just like that. You want to mount it on a walkway, a railing, anything at all. You can mount it standing up, no problem at all. Put something down here and it stands up just like that. No problem. And your convenient switch right there, turn it on, and there you have your decorative light. So let's set these up inside the garage, and then we're going to go outside and set them up outside in the day and at night and see how they look. All right, guys, there you can see the 3 different mounting methods. 2 of them on a stake, 1 of them on a pedestal, and the other one basically like wall mounted. I have it attached to the garage door right there. So I'm going to turn off the lights right now, and you'll see exactly how they look when the lights go out and the lights turn on. And there you go. That is some very decorative lighting right there with a nice flame effect. And like I said, you can use these for Christmas or any holiday throughout the year, or just as a nice decoration in your yard, even if it's not a holiday season. So these lights are excellent for all year long. All right, guys, so here we are looking at the lights outside in my backyard, and you can see all 3 designs right here right now. That's the base mounted one right there. And this is the wall mounted. I mounted it right there on my shed. You can see how attractive that looks when you put it on a wall somewhere. And these are the 2 stake mounted ones. And you can see they're pretty tall. So we're going to charge these up throughout the day, and then I'll come back later on at night and see exactly how they look after they've had a few hours to charge up. And there's a look of all of them right there, and we'll come back a little bit later on. All right, guys, so here we are at nighttime taking a look at the lights that I set up previously, and I showed you during the day how I had them set up. And they've only had a few hours to charge up, so it really has not been an entire day. And they still look very nice, very bright, very vibrant, and they're lighting up the area very well. Considering it's very dark out here, there's no lighting whatsoever. It's a moonless night, so there's not even a little bit of moonlight to light things up. It is pitch black, and the lights are still doing a very decent job. 35 lumens doesn't sound like a lot, but you can see that it looks very bright. And I'm standing about 10 to 12 feet away from them. I'm getting a little bit closer now, but I'm still 8 to 10 feet away to give you an idea what it looks like if you're walking around the light and so forth instead of being right up next to it. And it still lights up the shed there very nicely. So it works as a very nice decorative light, or as a pathway light, or anything like that, or as a holiday decoration light. So you can see right there that nice flame effect that it has. It looks very nice, very festive, and it'll light up and make any area look very nice. Alright guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Ruyilam decorative solar pathway lights. I think these lights are really attractive and great at energy savings. If you've been looking for some attractive decorative lights that you can use for any holiday all year long, then take advantage of the great discounts available right now. These lights are not only great for Christmas, but they're also attractive to leave up all year long. Add a little bit of flair to your house with attractive solar pathway lights. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.